What is the stock market prediction for 2024? Industry expert Mr. Sandeep Singhi will share his thoughts with us now.
Your guess is my guess only. It is very difficult to say what the stock market would be doing in 2024. But as I was saying earlier, that India has entered into an Amrit Kal, and in next 25 years, if India has to become a developed nation, India's GDP growth will be somewhere around say 25 to 30 trillion dollars. This is huge amount of money. So I don't know, the correction could be in 24, the correction could be in 25, but if you stay for a long period of time, you will be making money. So Warren Buffett has made money because he was born in America. If he would have been born in Afghanistan, he would not have made money. So this is our time. There are many things which the government is doing, which is correct, and I think everything is being supported by the digital economy which we are doing. And if you look at the digital transactions which India is doing, it is much ahead of China and US also. So it's a very big thing for India. Digital stack, whether it is Aadhaar based payment or it is the UPI payment, it is making a big inroads, and it's a case study across the world how India has been able to do this.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.